everybody to listen to the sound of all the lonely people who live beneath the ground. Don't listen to another, just listen to yourself, 'cause only change can happen when you change yourself. I won't run, I won't hide, I only want to live my life. Open, I'm the ruler of the world.
People, welcome back to my channel. Well, if you've seen my previous video, we started our journey from Lachen and reached Kalapathar. So this is the continuation from Kalapathar, and we started off here from Kalapathar and we're heading to Gurudongmar Lake. It should take us about a couple of hours from here to reach Gurudongmar Lake. And today is Saturday, and the time right now it's 10 a.m. and we should be at Gurudongmar Lake by 12:30 p.m. We're going to come across some beautiful Himalayan mountains from here. It has been snowing every day, so the temperature is very low. It's somewhere between -2 and 0 degrees. Nights are very cold, so they don't allow anybody to come post evening around this side of the Himalayas. Catch the entire journey as we reach one of the most beautiful lakes and the highest lakes in India.
Time for everybody to listen to the sound of all the lonely people who live beneath the ground. Don't listen to another, just listen to yourself, 'cause only change can happen when you change yourself. I won't run, I won't hide, I only want to live my life. Open, I'm the ruler of the world. In peace, I'm the ruler of the world. Have courage of conviction in everything you do, 'cause every little action only falls onto you. And I don't want excuses to hear your bitterness. There's far too many people who want to give their best. And I won't run, and I won't hide, I only want to live my life. Open, I'm the ruler of my world.
The route to Gurudongmar is a beautiful stretch of road leading up to Tibet, Chinese occupied Tibet actually. Gurudongmar Lake is about 5 kilometers from the border of Indo-Chinese occupied Tibet, and it's heavily patrolled by the Indian Army, BSF, Indo-Tibetanate Border Police, and the lake is situated about 190 kilometers from the capital city of Sikkim, Gangtok, and the road from Thangu to Gurudongmar passes through rugged terrain. The road, while Indian tourists are allowed to visit the lake, foreigners need to get a special permit from the Ministry of Home Affairs in Delhi. But even if you are Indian and you are driving your own vehicle, there are a lot of procedures and permissions to be taken, which you need to check much earlier before you reach Gangtok. The last bit of climb towards the Gurudongmar Lake, you can see black ice, which is very slippery and very tough to negotiate. Enjoy the view of the lake as winter is set in here, right here at Gurudongmar Lake. Gurudongmar Lake. Well, Gurudongmar Lake for you. Beautiful place, must visit. Do hit the subscribe button and like my channel. Also give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and keep following on all my videos on YouTube. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Djmahaneet, and also my Facebook ID also is Djmahaneet. Well, catch you on my next video. Until then, ciao. Entire range is called the Kanchendzonga range, and the Tiesta river originates from one of the glaciers from this plateau, which is part of the Tibetan plateau. The Tiesta river is also known as the lifeline of Sikkim. Well, if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel on YouTube, that's Djmahaneet, and also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates on all my videos. And of course, not forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you have any comments, do write below on the comment section.